Righto, come check this out. How good's this for a kid's bedroom in a caravan? How good's that, eh? Personalised it. It's got his own little teddies. It's got his switch in here on charge too. He's got a fan blowing down at him.
Don't do that because if you lift it,
Yeah.
I know my voice is weird.
He's got his fan there now.
Yeah.
He's got his headphones up there.
Headphones, controller, charger.
Yeah.
Everything.
He's pretty cool. He's set. The young fella here, he's all set. So same thing. Got a nice little pocket there. Got the fan. He's got his little watch on charge on top. His headphones sit on that little bracket up just up there.
Yeah.
So he's got all these teddies at the end of his bed. He's got a fan. Put his hat up there. He's got his number plate.
Yeah, they've both got they're real number plates.
Yeah. So Zach 16 and we got Blake over here 14. So how cool is that, eh?
Yeah.
So and yeah, you can angle these fans and that at them. And these are the cupboards that we made up. And if they're gaming, I've just told them to leave it open. So because these produce a lot of heat, I said just leave them open. So we've been testing it out for the last 3 days or something because we're about ready to hit the road. So just seen another one of these things. Don't do that.
Oh yeah. If I find them, I'll just pop them
I
up.
dropped a few and left them on the floor. So but yeah, so this fan here just blows straight into that cupboard and it keeps that cold. So I said if you're gaming, leave them open, and when you finish gaming, just close them. So so got a little shelf, bits and pieces. So and then we just got our clothes in here. So
The boys.
yeah, all the boys got me as well.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, you're a boy.
how good's that, eh? So I reckon this has turned out really good. Like how big and open is this? Are these new windows? A treat. So yeah, I reckon this is definitely one of the best kids' bedrooms in a caravan for sure. So but we're not going to play PlayStation and stuff all the time, but when you're full-time travel, we travel 8 months of the year. This is perfect. We always need a break for a week or two, and we camp up at a caravan park. They can just go and play this or something. So
some days you just want to sit in there and just do absolutely nothing except play games or watch TV.
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Because you're
your
packing up
downtime.
and you're moving flat out all the time. You need some downtime, and this
Yeah.
is perfect. So and they socialise with their friends. They meet people on the road. And they might only be at a caravan park for a week, and then they're going back to school and they move on, or the kids become friends.
Yeah, they
So
add them to the PS5s.
and they know who they are. So they've got a bunch of friends that they've met along the way, and they still keep in contact with. So which is really cool. So yeah. So I don't know. What do you guys reckon of the kids' room? I reckon it's grouse. What do you guys reckon? Yeah, see, happy days there. What do you reckon, mate?
Good.
Winner.
Yeah.
Yeah. Righto. I'll speak to you all later.
What? No hooroo?
Oh, righto, hooroo! How good's me top? YouTube qualified. Righto, hooroo!